This is how you can subscribe and download Super Easy Timer. This is my new beta that does all kinds of fun things. So you'll get an email once you hit the subscribe link. What you need to do is you need to say view in TestFlight. And once you do that, there's an install button here. You click install and then you click install, and that should install it so that you have access to the beta. That's actually going to replace the App Store version. So we'll have the new timer and then we'll hit next. You can take screenshots and then from that you can send beta feedback with Shift Command 4. And then the app should open up. So I think that it just opened up right here. And you can just type 5 p.m. It's going to do a countdown to 5 p.m. Or if you want to do a 30-minute timer, you can type 30 minutes, or it will default to minutes. So if you want to do a Pomodoro, just type 25, it will start it. Once that finishes, you could just type 5, press enter, and you have a Pomodoro timer. All right, so that's how to install the beta. Hopefully this is helpful. And let me know if you play around with Super Easy Timer. I'm working on a new update, and I've got a Windows version that I'm planning to publish. I just got my account like reactivated, so hopefully I can publish it on the Windows App Store soon. And this update should go live in the next week or two on the Mac App Store once I sort through some of the bugs that we've been running into. Thanks so much, and I will see you in the next video.